Fixed timeline theory, the unchangeable path. This theory is pretty straightforward. Basically, no matter what you try to change in the past, the future stays the same. You can go back and mess around all you want, but the timeline will always course correct to make sure everything ends up how it was meant to. It's kind of like time is set in stone. Imagine this. You go back in time to stop a disaster, but it turns out that in trying to stop it, you actually cause it to happen. Sounds frustrating, right? But that's the essence of this theory. Your actions in the past are already part of the future, and there's no way to escape that. Movies like The Terminator or 12 Monkeys are great examples of this, where the characters think they're stopping something catastrophic, but their actions end up being the very thing that makes it happen. The real mind-bender here is the idea that maybe everything is already written. Every choice, every action, it's all set in motion and we're just playing out the script. Is free will just an illusion? Are we all just along for the ride even though we feel like we're making choices? This fixed timeline concept raises all kinds of philosophical questions. If you can't change anything, does anything you do even matter? For some, that's a comforting thought. Everything is meant to be. But for others, it's unsettling, especially if you like the idea of having control over your destiny. To sum it up, the fixed timeline theory tells us that no matter what we do in the past, time will always find a way to make sure the future stays on track. It's kind of like a cosmic safeguard that keeps everything in line, whether we like it or not.